Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to change your Snapchat custom theme. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your profile, and once you open your profile you will see there is an option like setting. You need to tap on setting and you need to scroll down and you need to find app appearance. Okay, so you will see there is an option like app appearance. You need to tap on this option. So first of all, I want to tell you, you need to take a plus subscription on Snapchat, otherwise you are not able to change your custom theme on Snapchat. Okay, now you need to click on custom app themes and you need to tap on this option. Now you need to click on next. You will see there is an option like custom app theme, and once you click on next you will see there is an option like you need to take this subscription, and once you take this subscription you can change your custom theme and you can choose your custom theme, and you can like do anything, which type of theme you want to apply. You can apply very easily. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.